Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sucharita and in this video I'm going to show you a simple 2-ingredient cookie recipe. Are you one of them who thinks baking is a big process? Are you scared of baking, or are you one of them who thinks cookies take a lot of time to make? Then this recipe is for you guys. It's really good, and also you can make it very interesting for the kids to eat these cookies by adding their favorite nuts. So usually I make different kinds of cookies. So this time I'm going to make it by adding raisins because my kids love raisins, but you can go ahead and add chocolate chips or dates or any other nuts, and these cookies taste amazing. So let's get started.
Take 2 medium-sized ripe bananas and mash them using a fork. But keep in mind that the riper the banana is, the sweeter the cookie turns out to be. But don't stress too much about bananas not being ripe. Use 1 tablespoon of maple syrup instead and it will do the trick. Now gently add oats to it and mix it well until it turns into a thick cookie dough. Then add raisins to the mixture. Keep the dough aside and let it rest for 5 minutes. Use your hands to scoop a heap of dough amounting to a tablespoon and give it a cookie shape. This much of dough should approximately make you 10 to 15 cookies, and of course it also depends on how much dough you scoop for each cookie. Bake the cookies in a 180 degrees preheated oven for about 10 minutes. There you go. The cookies are ready and should taste delicious.
Do give it a like if you think this recipe was useful, and comment if you're going to make this recipe for your kids or for yourself. Also, please do subscribe to my channel to see similar content. Thank you so much for watching.